Hello everyone, this is your Shekho from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. Friends, today I am coming with would part 5. For my previous videos from part 1 to part 4, I am giving the links in the description and I am leaving the icons on the top of the screen. Friends, today we are going to discuss how will is replaced by would in our daily conversation. Friends, you know that would is used as the past form of will when reporting what somebody has said. For example, Raju said, I will be here at 9 o'clock. What did Raju say? What did he utter? What were the actual words of Raju? I will be here at 9 o'clock. These are the actual words of Raju. If you want to report what Raju has said, then you have to say, Raju said that he would be there at 9 o'clock. Let us see one more example. Ram said to me, I will phone you on Sunday. Here, I will phone you on Sunday are the actual words of Ram. If you want to report what Ram said, then you have to say, Ram said that he would phone me on Sunday. Let us see the last example. Rani said, I promise I won't be late. Here, I promise I won't be late are the words uttered by Rani. If you want to report what she has said, then you have to say, Rani said that, or Rani promised that she would not be late. Here, won't in the sense will not. Won't is the contracted form of will not, right? Friends, here in all these examples, will is replaced by would. In this way, we can use would instead of will in our daily conversation. Let's meet again with would part 6. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.